Pay per lecture is a service that lets you rent an individual lecture you may have missed without paying for video on demand for the whole term. If you missed a class due to illness, local internet outage, or whatever reason, use your campus card to rent the lecture for 7 days. If you are going to miss several lectures, it is more cost-effective to subscribe to the video on demand service. Paying for VOD gets you access to all the lectures all term and allows you to download them. Pay per lecture gets you streaming access only for 1 week. To rent a lecture, go to the VOD site and select your course. Make sure there is money on your campus card. If not, you can go to the campus card site and add money online. On the course page on the Video on Demand site, choose your course. You will see the lectures listed. The first lecture is always free for anyone to view. Others will show the words "Rent this lecture" beside them. Choose your lecture. Fill in the form that comes up. The barcode is not your student number. It is the 11-digit number on the back of your campus card. Once you have put the rental through, your card will be charged and the course will appear under My VOD Courses when you log in. Click on the course and it will show the lectures available. The one you rented will now say Play beside it, and it will show a countdown of how long you have access to the lecture.